How to recover Steam account without email or password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can recover Steam account without email or password. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the preferred browser and in the search bar type in Steam support. After that, click on the first link on your interface. Once you land on this interface, you have to click on Help, I can't sign in. And once here, click on the first option, I forgot my Steam account name or password. Here it will ask you to enter your email address or phone number. Since you don't have access to your email or phone number, you can simply type in the random email address. Click on I'm not a robot and you have to complete this verification. Once you're verified, click on search. Once you land on this interface, you can select the second option, I have no longer access to this email address. Then click on it. Now you will be taken into this page where you can submit this request to the Steam support. So first of all, you have to enter your current email address that you have access to currently. Here you can enter your new email address. Under that, here you can type in your first email address that you have used on your account. Under that, you have to provide a phone number from your account as well, and under that there is a text box where you can type in your issues that you're having. You can mention that you have lost access to your email or phone number, and once you're done with that, click on I'm not a robot and then click on send. Once you have submitted this request to Steam support will get back to you with the help. Make sure to follow all the instructions carefully, and that's how you can recover your Steam account without your password, email or phone number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.